Hey everyone, great to see you again. Welcome back. You're here with me, Sean, at our Nicobond head office. Today we're going to be looking at one of the big issues in the marketplace, which is large format tiles and solid bedding underneath of them. In my hand I have a Nicobond tile directory, and in here we have Nicobond large format Flex S1. And I'm going to do a demonstration today, show you how easy this product is to use and how it gives you coverage underneath your tiles. So let's head inside and we'll do a demonstration. Come on. Welcome upstairs to the studio. As I said downstairs, today we're looking at Nicobond Flexible Fiber S1 large format adhesive. And the reason for this adhesive is when you lay a large format tile on the floor, you want to get as close to 100% coverage underneath the tile as physically possible. And where you're using normal cement-based adhesives and using a notched trowel, which kind of gives you the square notches on top, even if you're solid bedding and back buttering the tile, the amount of pressure you need to apply on the surface of that tile to break those notches and give you 100% coverage is extensive. It's okay for a 150, you can twist with your hand and put it on. But when you get into large format product, which today 600 by 600 is commodity product for us, we're starting to use product like 6 by 12s. 1200 by 1200s. I've got commercial projects using 3 meters by 1200. The amount of pressure you need to apply on these products is so vast that you and a team of blokes probably won't get it right. So how about we make an adhesive that overcomes all of those issues? Today I'm going to be using some glass tiles that we've had made at our glass factory, and I'm going to be tiling onto just a sheet of tile backer board just to show you how the product works. So this product has several features and benefits. As I start to tile, you will notice I'm going to be using a half moon trowel as opposed to a 6, 8, 10 or 12 mil notch trowel that you would normally use with a cement-based adhesive. So let's get into the demonstration. So the features and benefit of this amazing product, which is Nicobond Large Format Flexible S1, it's the fact that it has fluid consistency, which means it allows you to bed the tile without any major downward pressure. It also is a pourable adhesive with flow bed technology. So when you pour it, it's just going to smooth out like a screed, but it comes with anti-slump characteristics. You don't have to worry about the adhesive slumping away into just a pool of adhesive on your floor. It also, as you can see on the bag, is an S1. What an S1 means, the adhesive is deformable. So on this board over here, we've put some S1 adhesive just to show you what this adhesive does. So if I take this board and I deform it by so much, as you can see on the shot, the adhesive's integrity is maintained. To be perfectly honest, if your floor is doing that, I would leave the building and not worry about my tiles delaminating. You're in an earthquake, it's probably best you leave the building. It's an incredible adhesive. Comes in a lovely orange bag like this, and it's a C2F adhesive. That means it's a cement-based adhesive and it has a high tensile bond strength, over 1 kilonewton-ton bond strength to pull it off. And the fact that it's F, it's a fast setting. Being a pourable adhesive, you can't use this on the wall. It's made specifically designed to go onto floors and cope with large format tiles. So I've mixed some adhesive up now, and I'm going to show you how this is a pourable flow bed adhesive. So as you can see, I would just pour it out onto my floor, maybe in a larger bit than this, but for this demonstration I'm just going to do a bit. And then using a half moon trowel, I'm just going to trowel it around so I can get coverage underneath this tile. You can see it moves with just majestic consistency. You'll notice when I use the half moon trowel, these notches do not slump away. They stay and they maintain. That's the anti-slump technology that this product has. So let's stick a tile and see what it looks like. So for this demonstration, I've got a glass tile that I'm going to stick down just to show you how the adhesive flows underneath without any downward pressure. So all I would do now is I would fill the gaps with a leveling system, pump the tile down, which then gives you 100% coverage underneath the tile without any downward pressure or twisting mechanism. Some people use mallets to tap a tile down. With this product, as you can see, the adhesive using its flow bed technology just flows consistently underneath the tile. Awesome product.